Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to export contacts on Brevo. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Brevo account, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is how exactly can you create an account on Brevo? Now you can create an account by launching any browser of your choice. I'm currently using Google Chrome, and locate the search bar, which is usually at the top corner of your screen. From the search bar or in the search bar, go ahead and type brevo.com. And it's going to take you right into the official website for Brevo. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Brevo. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to export contacts in Brevo. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the left corner of your screen, and you have the navigation panel there. So here you have home, you have contact, you have campaigns, automations, transactional, conversations, deals, meetings, and calls. Go ahead and click on the contacts tab, and it's going to open up the contacts window. So over here we have two contacts, and we have all our contacts organized, viewed, managed in this window. Now, if we want to export these contacts that are here, what you like to do is to click on the check box that is very close to the contact. So let's say I want to export just this first contact. I'm just going to have to click on this empty check box right there. I'm going to check the box, and once I check the box, at the top corner here you see add to a list, block list. You have more actions, so go ahead and click on more actions, and it's going to show this extended options which include edit, assign, and export. So go ahead and click on export, and it takes you right into this window where you need to select how you want the contact to be exported, either separated with a semicolon, or you separate it with a comma. You can choose any of those options, and after doing that, go ahead and click on export. Once you click on the export button, it's going to be exported as a CSV file. Alright, so that's pretty much the process. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.